Hey you guys, it's your girl Nini and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a full in-depth wig install of this gorgeous synthetic wig with you guys today, step by step, and I'm really excited about it because this wig turned out so beautiful. I have so much to tell you. So without further ado, let's jump right into this wig review, okay? So this is a synthetic lace front wig. I've already got the lace cut, you guys. It has a 13x6 lace front area, and I did go ahead and tint this with some powder as well. I've installed this wig before, so this is a reinstall, and the info to this wig and my entire look is going to be in the comments and description of this video if you guys are interested. So this wig is in the color 2, and I'm just letting you guys see the construction and the different features of this wig. It does come with combs as well, and that's a closer look at the lace. And then as you can see, it also does have a wig strap in this wig as well. So y'all, this is a long textured wig, okay? It has lots of curls that I've already combed out. As you can see, it is pretty full. It has a little bit of layers as well. And I'm going to be styling this as a side part. Y'all already knew that, okay? A side part. So let's go ahead and get into the installation process. So I'm just combing the wig out a little bit more. I'm going to make sure that my part is straight, and then I'm going to go in and start styling the wig. I'm going to do a couple of things, you guys. I am going to add some hair wax to this. I'm going to put some more powder. If you or somebody you know has ever thought about becoming a hair influencer, then this is for you. I've been a hair influencer for some years now, and I created a guide to teach you how to do it too. Even if you're not interested in hair influencing specifically, being a content creator has opened so many doors for me and is a great opportunity. I've developed guides to help you in areas such as content creation, specific social media platforms like TikTok, as well as how to review products like I do. There are so many streams of income possibilities with being a content creator, and the key is to learn how to make the content. You can gain access to more information on all of my guides and ebook sources through my website. The link is in the description, or visit anotherqueenstreasure.com. I'm also going to go in and glue this wig down. So starting off with the hair wax, I definitely feel like it's necessary for this wig. For me, I feel like it really helped the wig to just have like a little bit of shine, and also to just smooth those hairs out, you guys. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go and join my Facebook group at C Shop Repeat. I post a lot of my wig finds and other finds over there in that group. So definitely make sure you guys go and join. The link will be in the description if you're interested. So while I'm doing this, I'm just combing these curls out because I really want to get them shaped the way I want them to. I'm trying to get like that, like the little glamour curls look for this wig. And I'm kind of shaping it with the hair wax and then going in with the comb as well. And like I said, I used powder to go ahead and tint the lace, but I also used it again in the parting space. And I do that kind of often, especially when I reinstall a wig. That just kind of helps it to look a little bit more natural, and I try to do it before I glue the wig down. So while I finish styling this, you guys, this wig does have pros and cons, so I'm just going to get into that. This wig is really long, so I did get some tangles, you guys. That's super expected. It's synthetic, it's long as well, and it's curly, so I did get some tangles. But for this to be so long, I feel like really didn't tangle too crazy. Definitely wasn't a deal breaker for me. I did get some shedding, but that could be to how I cut the lace. Usually once I cut the lace, I do experience some shedding with a synthetic wig. Not all the time, but this one did give me light shedding, but again, not excessive. So definitely not a deal breaker for me. So here I am gluing the wig down, you guys, and I'm not gluing it ear to ear. Y'all already know I put the glue where I need it to be, and that's most of the time not ear to ear, y'all. So I'm just gluing it down to where I feel comfortable, and we're going to get into the final look of this wig, you guys. This wig, honestly, it looks so good in a color 2. I've tried this in multiple colors, you guys, but the color 2 just hits. I feel like it's a good mix of like looking natural, but not too dark of a color. It's just got like a natural tint to me, in my opinion, and it just looks so good, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys this full look, and yeah, let's get into that. And I would definitely consider wearing this wig for birthday hair. Like, it is so beautiful, but it's not like super high maintenance. Like, I feel like if you just take a wig brush with you, you'll be good to go. Like, it didn't tangle crazy so far. I feel like you'll be good to go. It had a lot of good qualities. It looks really good. And then it has that yucky texture. So it's not a silky wig, which makes me feel like it's not going to be like super tangly or super, you know, just like have to constantly brush it like some synthetic wigs are. So you guys, I'm going to put the info down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this look, and let me know in the comments how you like this style. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Info to everything, including what I'm wearing, will be in the description in the comment section of this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.